Assalamualaikum student, I am Dr. Sidra Hadri and I'm going to conduct my lecture on the basis of the angiosperm. So what is angiosperm? Angiosperms, also called a flowering plant, and are a major group of land plants. The angiosperms, being seed plants, exhibit a life cycle that in many respects similar to that found in gymnosperm. So we are going on to the next slide. General features of angiosperm. The points are there: dominant sporophytic phase, vessels in their xylem, companion cell in the phloem. The will develop with the ovary of a carpel and enclosed by ovary wall. All the heterospores producing mega and microspores. We are going on to the next slide. Micro or male gametophytes develop with a microspores and without antheridium. Megaspores bear mega or female gametophytes and without archegonia. The gametophytes of the angiosperms are much reduced in size and cell number. The mature gametophytes within the pollen grain consists of 3 cells, and the mature mega gametophytes within the pollen grain consists of only 7 cells and 8 nuclei. Sorry, that's T is missing. Currently mistaken. We're going on to the next slide, that is based on the pollination in angiosperm. Pollination in angiosperm. So in angiosperm, indirect pollination takes place, in which the pollen is decomposed on the stigma of the carpel rather than directly on the ovule, as is the situation in gymnosperm. And in the gymnosperm, the pollination is direct. And there is a type of pollination, that is self-pollination, cross-pollination, and artificial pollination. And how the pollinations in which the pollinating agents are winds and insects, and there are many more like water and like birds also take part in the pollination and help in the pollination, and they also a pollinating agents. We are going on to the next slide. Features of angiosperms. This is the simple point to be remembered. While basically when you're stuck in the mind what is angiosperm, then you suddenly remember these points. So these are the small and important points. Dominant phase, sporophytes, vascular system present, embryo present, sex organ absent, male sex organ absent, female sex organ absent, gametes non-motile. And here is a figure also you have seen on the screen, that it showed that how the double fertilization and how then it goes the process and mature sporocyte form. So this is only a slide for the basic knowledge of angiosperm. Thank you. And further I'm going to make the lecture on the double fertilization. Thank you so much.